To assemble your SteamVac, remove all contents from the carton and identify the following components: the carpet cleaner body with 2 tanks, the handle assembly, handle bolts and nuts, hose and hose bracket, a tool holder with an attachment screw, an upholstery tool, a nozzle cleaning tool, a bottle of deep cleansing detergent, and the owner's manual. This model also includes a powered hand tool. To assemble, insert the upper handle into the slot and press firmly into place. Insert the 2 bolts into the holes on the front of the cleaner, and slide the hose holder onto the bolt ends in the back. Then tighten the nuts onto the bolt ends using a screwdriver. Remove the screw from the tool holder and insert the tabs of the tool holder into the slots near the bottom of the cleaner. Insert the screw and tighten with a screwdriver. Put the solution tube into the storage clip. Attach the converter end of the hose onto the tool holder and snap into place. Now wrap the hose counterclockwise onto the hose storage clips. There are also storage hooks on the back for the power cord. The upholstery tool stores on the bracket on the back of the cleaner. The powered hand tool stores neatly in the front tool compartment. Insert the solution tank by setting the bottom edge in first and pivoting the top of the tank back into the locked position. Your SteamVac carpet cleaner is now assembled and ready to operate.
Hosting a party is a great reason to take care of those rug and upholstery stains on your to-do list. Skip the rags, blotting, and scrubbing. The Bissell SpotClean Pro packs the power of a professional-style, full-size carpet and upholstery cleaning machine into an efficient portable unit. Manual scrubbing can push a stain deeper and actually spread the stain. But SpotClean Pro uses water, formula, and suction to loosen and remove stubborn stains. A flexible hose with snap-on tools makes it easy to deep clean small areas that are hard to reach with an upright machine. Spot clean area rugs and cushions with a 3-inch tough stain tool. And zip through stair stains with a 6-inch cleaning tool. The large capacity tanks can be removed together for fewer trips to the sink. They're designed with flat bottoms so they can be easily filled and emptied. Freshen up seat cushions, car interiors, area rugs, and more with Bissell's 2X Professional Deep Cleaning Formula with built-in Scotchgard protector. It works with the penetrating spray and superior suction power of the SpotClean Pro to extract old stains and new spills from heavily used fabrics and rugs. The SpotClean Pro is the most powerful, portable spot cleaner offered by Bissell, and it comes with Bissell's best-in-class 2-year warranty. The Bissell SpotClean Pro, professional style power in the palm of your hand.
The Rug Doctor Versatility Tool helps you clean upholstery, stairs, area rugs, and anywhere else you might have stains or spots. To start, unwrap the Versatility Tool from the tool caddy. Connect the solution line to the port next to the tank handle. Open the wastewater port by pulling the black plug out. Line up the icons, then slide in and rotate right to lock into place. Turn the power switch to tool and position the versatility tool in front of the area or stain you want to clean. Squeeze the soap trigger, then move the tool back and forth. Repeat as needed. Let's get cleaning!